Welcome to Pro Tool Reviews. What I want to show you today is Ryobi's Link system. This is more than just storage boxes. This is a complete system to get you organized both at your shop and on the go. So we're going to break it down, take a closer look, and walk you through what your options are. Let's take a closer look. We have to ask ourselves, what type of system are we looking for? Portable or stationary? And once we figure that out, we're going to start with portable, because they offer both. Now what you're seeing here in our video here is you're seeing the Toolbox base with roller wheels, and also here's their portable workbench as well. That's part of the Link system. This is not a tool storage system, but it's part of an overarching, really large system of different kinds of storage, largely for not portable. So this is gonna be for your garage, your shop, things like that. And I'll show you some of those accessories, not all of them, but just to kind of give you a taste of what Ryobi has to offer. But as far as portable storage goes, which is really the focus of what we're trying to do here today, we have the base. And much like we've seen with other manufacturers, we have a rolling base where it has a dolly type system where we have a handle that can extend up, push a button, put our handle up, allows us to be able to use this in a dolly style. Handle is not removable though, so that handle is stationary, it stays put, and it is locked in place, but it is all metal. So very sturdy construction with that, which is good. This bin does come with side handles, so pop these handles out. We can go ahead and pick this up if we have it loaded up if we need to. And as far as storage goes, have some nice latches on the front here. Lid opens up, has a catch that keeps it open. We have some storage integrated on the side right here. Have an integrated bit holder here as well. We can put our bits in there, and we have pretty deep storage in here. It's wide open. There's nothing else going on in here. So got plenty of space up inside. So the Link system works primarily by what looks like on the top here. It has the system where it allows us to set it on the next box and catch it onto these sort of pucks. So same construction on this box as our bottom box. Set this aside so we can go through this real quick. We have sort of the same pucks on the top. Here's our integration on the bottom. It uses a system that locks in multiple locations actually. So this is the button you would press to unlock it, and then it automatically locks in place once we put it on top. That's the Link. Now as far as the box goes, same latches, open this guy up, have storage. That's also part of the Link system too. This is the other part of the Link system, the design of the way that these integrate into it. And you're gonna see, as I show you the stationary system, how that works actually, because the entire system works that way. We do have a foam rubber gasket in here to help protect the contents from dust and water intrusion. Have an integrated bit holder as well. Close this guy down. Let's make sure that that's sitting correctly. There we go. Now, installing this on the Toolbox is pretty easy. Put this on top, it goes in place, and we're actually already locked on. So it's that simple. To remove it, we're gonna push this button and lift up. Lock it up. It's locked in. It's self-centering, so it'll lock itself automatically down on top of the box. Now we have some other toolboxes, and they do have some other options available. The other two sizes that I have, well, actually one other size, a little bit shallower box. Same features as far as this box go. Dual latches. We have storage containers. This is all part of the Link system. Customize those, or remove them and not use them at all. And lock that down, integrated latch point there as well. And then this guy would just simply sit on top. And as you can see, it's that easy. It's already locked on. Now let me set this aside. So this is the extent of the portable system that I have here with me today. But where this gets kind of cool is some of the other accessories that go with the Link system. Again, music on the go. I like that. So here's a radio, and you guessed it, it's Link compatible. So I can click this on the top of my Toolbox and go to town listening to some music. Show you how that works. Here's just another Toolbox. Same size as the one that we already put on the stack there, but give you an idea. I have some vacuum accessories in here, some Ryobi vacuum accessories. But to install a radio, it's simple. Take my radio, put it on, actually put it on a way that I can see it, and lock that on there. So now radio's ready to go. This radio is battery operated, so you would put battery up inside of here, And you also have a carry handle if you need it. And this is where you would control your radio on the front side. So that's integrated there. Also, if you have bits and accessories, which we always do, we always need a place to be able to store our bits and accessories. And Ryobi has you covered with a bit accessory box. This is nice, clear lid so you can see the contents. Looks like it pretty much locks these in as well, so that should be spill proof or nearly so. Shouldn't be mixing your contents with like nearby boxes should this tip over. And same thing here, integrates on to them, and that's on. So that's installed. Now they do only install one direction, so you have to stack these up in the right direction. They only fit facing forward. So just keep that in mind with this system. So there's the Link as far as portable goes. Now, I do think as we're looking at the Ryobi Link system that we look at their stationary storage as well. And the heart of that begins with these. And these are your wall plates. These would get installed on your wall, in your shop, inside your vehicle, should you have a work vehicle. And then you have a ton of different accessories. I have things such as, here's little bit holders, little drawers. These sit right on there and it will sit right on the wall. So now you have an easy way to modularly set up your space, your workspace, where you can move this around. Doesn't end there though. Paper towel holder. So again, mounted on the wall. Now I have a place to put paper towels and also an accessory shelf. Some larger holders, these could be maybe used cord wraps or something like that. So these fit in between. These would integrate like this, and you can put some heavier things on these or maybe add a shelf across the top. So kind of let your mind wander how you could use those. As far as some other accessories, here's, you guessed it, for your screwdrivers. So same thing, I can integrate this guy in there like that. So go ahead and take your screwdriver holder, put it on there, or they have a whole bunch of other hooks and other accessories as well. And so with these, I can go down the line and add in mop holder or broom holder, a larger hook right here for a broom holder. Here's another style hook. Move him down, another style hook here. So get a lot of different options as far as hanging ability with the Link system. Really is a great way to set up your home storage in particular. A whole bunch of different things. I'd suggest if you're interested in the Link system, go to ryobi.com, see what they have. A lot of these are also in your local Home Depot, so you should be able to find them there. Link system is definitely a solid way to get organized. So what we saw today was just a quick overview of some of the components in the system. There's so much more, so head over to ryobi.com or your local Home Depot to see what they have. Chances are you're going to be able to customize it for exactly what you need. I am curious, what do you think about the Ryobi Link? Is it something that you would purchase? Is it something you would buy into? Drop me a comment below. If you like these videos, give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to Pro Tool Reviews, do that so you don't miss out on any of these videos. And as always, thanks for watching.